I guess I'll just use OBS again. Shit is so laggy. Frame, you gonna be trading all day today?
Hey man.
How are you doing?
Yeah, on and off. Yeah. Fine.
Nice. You traded anything so far?
Um, in the morning it was actually moving around nicely, but I think right before the news it went a bit bananas.
Yeah, it was more active in the morning. I think I traded around like 7:30 when I woke up, but then after the news it slowed down. Um, I'm working on like strategy for you guys. It's kind of like bullet trading where you like can increment your positions. So I don't want people to like be following me blindly on ES or NQ. Um, remember how I told you can only use like MES and you can like scale in using 2 to 3 positions? So I kind of want to like make a pamphlet on that. ES is really strong. I actually think we're going to like 6120 today, actually easily. I just hate chasing this here. I'm gonna wait for some parts of action once the market opens. If you guys ever see strong candles like this on ES, don't ever short until we get a clear structure down first. I used to always chase shorting this. Would end up losing like 1,000, like probably an hour. Did we have any tech earnings yesterday? Anybody know after hours?
How many trays did you take today already?
Uh, 9.
Nice.
I did a little bit of NQ though. Might play some AMD options today after this. Can I have some of that Dayquil? Did you drink some? Here, you can have the rest. I left it open. Sure. I hate swallowing those. Maybe I'll have that one later. It's gonna irritate my neck, my throat. Oh, I got one. Now, drink your Dayquil.
Order filled.
Hi, hi everyone.
Order filled.
Okay.
Hey, Pipe, how you doing? Oh, my orders got filled.
Hey Tiger, how are you?
Good, man. I finished like 3 Dayquil bottles past few days.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I have some problems with the sound. This.
Frame, I entered that because I didn't draw it out here, but we have a 5 minute fair value gap right here. Um, so I actually expected us to retest this. I mean, usually it only hits like 50% of it, but we went all the way down. So that was kind of risky, which is why I put my stop right here, because we shouldn't go this low. So we took this liquidity here in the 5 minute. We had this 5 minute, 5 year fair value gap. And honestly, I think this will run back up to an 04, but I just took my profits. Uh, on the 1 minute it looks bad, but longer time frame we're still good. We have 3 red candles forming. I'm gonna wait for this one to close.
Is the 3 red candle thing from the book you sent?
The last one? I'm not too sure, to be honest.
I was just reading that today.
Like I said, I think the last time I read that was like 2 years ago, but a lot of the information stuck with me.
Yeah,
The 3 red candles either from ICT or something I just picked up along the way.
yeah. It's funny. I looked it up, and that book costs like $300
Does it actually?
secondhand or something. Yeah.
Oh my God. I don't think I paid for it if that much. I mean, I got that thing maybe like 5, 6 years ago.
What book are we talking about?
Last book I posted in the education channel.
Huh.
The
I mean,
candlestick Bloomberg.
if it's actually from Bloomberg, I'm not surprised it's that expensive. Yeah. Pipe, what are you watching right now?
I'm just checking out because I just want to remind everyone that we've been trading with very low volume these past 2 days. Hasn't been very high. And at closing, we have Amazon earnings. So
Yeah, I didn't notice that. Sometimes I feel like the volume doesn't really matter on futures. Like, I feel like we've seen this during COVID, and this can still run all the way back up, especially if the
yeah,
Isn't
daily
that like
closes above.
classic? Isn't
Sorry?
that like
it's
classic? The days before non-farm payroll, where the volume kind of drops and then picks up on Friday.
Yeah, I guess so.
yeah, we have tomorrow we have a lot of news of non-farm employment, unemployment rate. Yeah, I just expect ranging day to day. That's that's what
Yeah,
I'm
because I
thinking.
feel like we trapped a lot of shorts here. I honestly think we hit like at least like 6115, either today or tomorrow.
I just have
Like
some
even the
problem
4
with
hour is
that.
not bad at all. We still
You
got room to
guys hear
breathe.
me properly?
This is probably actually the pullback to buy in. 1 hour also looks really good. Like I think as long as we hold above like 92.5, we're good. This is actually a good level. I might take this.
Order filled.
I think I'll hold this one to 150 as well. And then I'll put the stop right here.
Okay. No. Just hearing some echo on my headphone.
No, you're good.
Order filled.
Is it just to me, or did they increase the fees for trades on TopStep?
I noticed that like 4 months ago. It used to be a lot cheaper.
Because I mean, well, let me see this. So on the 5th, literally yesterday it was £2, and now it's all of a sudden like 370.
For which contract? No, it hasn't changed since yesterday.
MES.
No. When like the TopStep platform first came out, I think they had like 50% off the fees, but then they removed that.
Order filled.
Honestly, I'm actually really bullish. I probably should have held a contract there. Yeah, I think we trap more shorts here. Yep, I should have held one. This is about to rip to the high. All right, no trades until we get above this and build some structure. I really should have held one. Damn, I got out so early. I even saw that coming.
It's fine. Still a win.
Yeah. Bum, 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 bum.
Rejected 5-minute high. They're pushing it now.
NQ and ES are pretty far diverged right now.
Oh, wow. That is crazy. Yeah, frame. So when I used to talk about candlestick anatomy, like this 5-minute alone, what you could have done is enter long like instantly, and then on one on the 50%, and then put a stop below here. I would have done this on MES, not on minis.
Is that because it doesn't have any, like a wick at the top?
Yeah, and no, most importantly, it closed above this because this is technically a market structure shift.
Yeah.
I mean, even in the 1 minute, I guess we saw, but I don't. The 1 minute is too risky, but the 5-minute closure is really good. So like if you were doing MES, and you didn't like want to miss out, like I would have done like 2 or 3 cons right here, and then like add in here, like near that 50% level.
Because you don't want to do it with the full contract.
Yeah. I mean, I sometimes still do, but it's more risky.
Mm.
Also, we had like a fair value gap during the 1 minute. Like this may hold around this area in reverse. Or this could have been out actually too. I'm gonna try one right here.
Order filled.
This 5 minute is kind of dirty though, so this will be a quick trade.
Order filled.
All right, $100 more. I'm gonna stop and switch to options. But I basically hit my goal for today.
How did you make it to almost 2,000 already? Did you start New York session at 0, or were you
I
trading?
started as soon as I woke up, so like like around 650.
Okay.
Actuals trading on Q. What's today, February 5th? No, it's 6th. I started at 7 o'clock. Oh, damn, not a
That
small
makes
loss today. If this 5-minute candle closes here, this is really good. I actually still like this. It's very indecisive now, the 5-minute. I'm gonna wait for it to close. Yeah, if you guys read that book, I provided, I think, 2 days ago, and you're familiar with like doji candlesticks, like you can make easy scalps just like following the 5-minute. Like if you just aim for $1 scalps on ES, that's $50 every like 15 minutes.
Hmm.
I kind of still want to take this, but I'll wait.
Which book are you talking about?
The education resources, the last one I posted. In the Discord. Look how we closed. We looked bullish here, and then we closed below. I'm glad I didn't take that. Back then, like when I was impatient, I probably would have took this as soon as I saw the 5-minute closing green. And I would have got instantly stopped out for like, what is that, $150 loss. So it's important to wait for like the 5-minute closure every time. This can still run back up. I think that was just a liquidity grab right there.
Order filled.
Alright, so for that 100. I'll call it a day.
So you just scalp for 100-ish bucks.
Yeah,
a
like
bunch of times.
150 to 150, yeah.
Okay.
You can adjust if you use TopStep, you can adjust your TP targets automatically. Like mine, I have it set automatically to 150, but I just adjust it usually right after.
Hmm.
Order filled.
All right, I stopped out there. I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle to close now, which is in 1 minute. Honestly, this hourly isn't bad. If I was zoomed out, because I said earlier, as long as we hold 92.5, that was actually a stupid stop right there. I'm gonna retake this.
Order filled.
Hmm.
All right, I'm just gonna let this one play out and this will be the last trade. What are you guys watching today for options? Oh man, I was just AMD looked interesting this morning, but now it looks like shit. I may play Apple today then.
Order filled.
All right, I got filled. I'm just gonna lock out. By the way, this looks like a clean manipulation right here. That's why earlier when I said look at the higher time frame. As long as we hold above this 50% on the hour line ES, this is bullish, and we did held that. I think we'll go to the high of day today, but no more trading futures.